So today I'm going to show you how I beat bronchitis. I'm going to make a castor oil rub that's going to stimulate the lymph. I have my castor oil, frankincense oil, eucalyptus oil, cedarwood oil. As you can see behind me over here, my mullein garden, I'll also be using that a little bit later. This is my carrier oil. You always want to use a carrier oil when you're using essential oils because they're very, very concentrated. So I'm going to take my castor oil and pour some out. I'm going to take a few drops of each oil, just a few, maybe 2 or 3. Eucalyptus is my favorite oil for congestion. It's got that nice menthol smell that helps clear out your sinuses. I'm going to mix this up. This is a great combination to break up congestion. Also, if you have a rebounder and you feel like using it, that also will stimulate the lymph. Now you can rub this on your chest. You can apply this right here on your cheeks. If your head is stuffy, put it on your forehead, underneath your nose. Just don't get it too close to your eyes. It will burn. Today, I'm going to put it on my feet. Sounds crazy, but it works. Also, I'm out here sitting in the hot summer sun. It's always good to sit out in the sun if you don't feel good. They used to do this back in the 20s. They used to put hospital beds outside. They would have a balcony and they would put the patients outside to help them get that vitamin D from the sun because they knew it was essential in healing. This is my mullein garden. It grows a stalk and has yellow flowers that look like a corn cob. It's a 6-foot weed. It grows in the woods. This was planted by accident after one of my plants fell over and seeded into my garden. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to pull this leaf here. Got another one. This is an old folklore remedy. I'm just going to put these leaves right in my shoe. These are nice and soft, fuzzy leaves. Mullein is good for breaking up congestion. And there you have it. I'm just going to sit out here in the sun as this congestion just drains right out. This is my favorite way to do it. Now you can try this at home, but don't let it linger too long. If it lingers too long, then you know it's time to see a practitioner.